Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can validate email addresses in Google Forms. So if you're running a business, a newsletter, or an event, you need a real contact info here. And here Google Form has a hidden response validations tool that acts like a bouncer for your inbox, making sure that every entry follows a real email format. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can validate email addresses in the Google Forms. So what you need to do is just go to the form settings and click on the responses option. And in here, there will be the collect email addresses. You can just click on the drop down and choose the responder input. So the respondents will manually enter their email address, email response, and after that, it will automatically ask them or require them to add a valid email address. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.